Come with me, let's make this delicious ogbono and okra soup together. Hello good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making ogbono and okra soup. So guys, this one and the protein we need for this recipe, okay? So I have my ishaki and stockfish already in the pot cooking, okay? So now guys, I just add my pomo and cow tea, okay? So this one and the pepper mix when I want you to boil the meat, okay? I have scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper and onions, okay? Now I be waiting on a see when I just blend together. Then I can add my seasonable salt when I get in my kitchen. Come pour on water, then cover and make the protein for cook, okay? So this one are the strong protein when I get, I be this one. So the next thing now we are going to be adding our beef. This one are the beef when I dey talk about. So we are going to turn everything together, then we'll cover it for the meat to be cooked. Now my people, the meat don't cook now. So this one are the ogbono, okay guys? I'm sorry I did videos when I pour it inside, okay? So I put it in a bowl, added oil, and I pour it inside the pot, okay? Now the ogbono already made. So this one are my oil, and I can't add oil for inside the meat. Then add one seasoning cube, okay, seasoning cube, mangi. Then I can't add my crayfish. Then cover them everything for combine together. Now we are going to be adding our ogbono, okay? So this one and the ogbono one I see earlier, and I be this one. So we go turn everything together. Then I come pour on hot water again. So this one and the hot water, okay? Then we turn everything together again. Then we leave it for a few minutes. Then we add our okra. Now everything has combined together. So we are going to be adding our okra. So we turn everything together. And we are going to be adding our white fish. Look at the ogbono, it's very beautiful. What do you guys think? What are you going to be eating with this my delicious ogbono and okra soup? So I test the salt was not enough, and I added salt and pepper. Then this is my smoking microfish, okay? Then I can add them again, crayfish. Then later now we go add our spinach, okay? So my people, if you know, see, don't watch this video, Rachel. It may say you dey enjoy the video, but you don't want follow, you don't want like Ejo kilo de what's going on here now. Help a sister, help a mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as the support una get. Look at the ogbono and okra soup is almost ready. But what do you guys think? What are you going to be eating with this delicious ogbono soup? Please go and bring me your semo, eba, pounded yam, any swallow of your choice. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all